Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with us some computer keyboard tricks, especially for those of us who are using Windows 10 and Windows 11. So these shortcuts, these keyboard shortcuts are very important to save you time and save you energy and save you stress. Okay, so especially if you are working on Windows 10 and on Windows 11. Okay, now this video is going to be on a series, so I want you to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you always get updates and notified on any video that I drop. Now the first key I'm going to be showing you is emojis. You know, some people have been like, do we have emojis on the laptop? Yes, we have emojis on desktop. Okay, you can see this emoji here. Now, how do you put an emoji in a when you're typing it, when you're working on the word using the desktop? Now, emojis are cool. They express and add beauty and tone to your work. Now let's see how we can put an emoji to this. So for example, I'm typing, and sorry, this is just a place without text, and I want to put an emoji here. What you do, there are two keyboard keys you press. So you press the Windows plus the period. Windows plus the period. One more time, Windows and the period key is what you press together. Okay, now let's try it. So when you come back to your Windows, and then come back to your Windows and you press your Windows and period together. This is the Windows and period. All right, so this is how you get your emojis. Okay, so it's as simple as this. So you can choose whatever emojis you want, and that's it. You can see how cool it is. Okay, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. All right, so if you need any question, I want you to just comment on the comment section, and then I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. And then secondly, the second key I'm going to be showing you quickly is how to shut down easily. You know, you can easily shut down without passing through the traditional Windows, plus Windows plus the shutdown prompt and all of that. So, but what you can do, just need just three keys. What are these? Are the keys: Control plus Alternate plus Delete. Control plus Alternate plus Delete. When you press these three keys, then your Windows will automatically shut down. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now, do you also know that you can take a screenshot on your desktop? Yes, you heard me right. You can take a screenshot on your desktop. Now, this is what you do. Is what you just do is very simple. Just go to your keyboard, and then you take what you press is just two simple keys. Now, what you do is you press your Windows button plus your print screen. Windows button plus your print screen. Now, your print screen, this is your print screen. PROTSCN. You press it together. Windows plus print screen. Okay, you take a screenshot. All right. So all right, let's do that. This is how it works. Windows button and print screen. I just did that. You can see the screenshot. All right, now let me show you guys where that screenshot is. To get your screenshot, you go to Pictures. Okay, you go to Pictures. You can see screenshots. You can see screenshots. This is the screenshot we just took. This is screenshot. You can see it here. Okay. All right. Then the last one I'm going to be showing you this evening is how you can easily view your windows. For example, you open a lot of windows and you want to view them, to see them at once, especially if you are working on Windows 10, on Windows 11. You come to your taskbar. This is your taskbar down here, and then you come to this place where it is writing task view. When you click it, you see your windows displayed. You can see I opened 4 windows. This is my screenshot window. It's my keyboard window, onboard keyboard window. This is my Google, and this is my documents. Okay, so from here you can easily navigate and see what you want to do. All right, like I said, this is the first episode. I want you to subscribe to my channel and then hit the notification button. I'm going to be uploading more videos to you in the next coming episode. So please like, share, and comment on the session. And God bless you.